Has a hard anodized surface that is durable, heats evenly, quickly, and prevents hot spots. Non-stick performance for easy food release, tossing, cleaning, and allows for healthy cooking. Tempered glass lid to view food. Wide and deep to hold a large amount for multiple uses. Long riveted stainless steel handle stays cool, comfortable. Oven safe to 450 F, lid to 350 F. Not induction safe. Works on gas, electric, glass, ceramic, etc. Hand wash recommended, given diameter as outer diameter. The Cook's standard 11-inch hard anodized nonstick wok stir-fry pan flat bottom with lid, black, 28 cm has a hard anodized surface that is durable, heats evenly, quickly, and prevents hot spots. Material is harder than steel, thick, and chip resistant. Non-stick performance for easy food release, tossing, cleaning, and allows for healthy cooking. Tempered glass lid with steam vent is protected by a stainless steel rim to view food. Long riveted stainless steel handle stays cool, comfortable and is strong. Wide and deep to hold a large amount of food for multi-purpose use, stir-frying, sautéing, frying and more. Not induction compatible. Works on gas, electric, glass, ceramic, halogen, etc. Oven safe to 450 F, glass lid to 350 F. Dishwasher safe, hand wash recommended. Top reviews from the United States. Great woks. So I have had my wok for 15 years and it started to get chipped on the bottom. So it was time to get a new one. I searched high and low but I could not find a non-stick 14 wok and all of the review were bad on the ones I came across. Until I came across this one. I have seen some reviews that showed their wok scratched up on the bottom. But I have had my wok for 2 weeks now and no scratching. If you use a wok, make sure you use a wood spoon to stir your food. Also follow the instruction. Don't place your wok after use in cold water. Let your wok cool off and then clean it. If you take care of it, it will last you a long time. I use my wok every day. My last one was not as good as this one and it lasted 15 years. I think that is really good for a non-stick. This one should last as long, maybe longer. Cheers.